Welcome to MetaMask versus Guarda wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are included in the description below. In this video, we'll break down their features, who they're designed for, and their best use cases to help you decide which wallet suits your needs. MetaMask is a widely popular Ethereum-focused wallet supporting Ethereum ERC20 tokens and compatible dApps. Available as a browser extension and mobile app, it's an essential tool for interacting with DeFi platforms, NFT marketplaces, and other Ethereum-based applications. MetaMask provides an intuitive interface for beginners and advanced features like custom gas fee adjustments for experienced users. It allows seamless token swaps and dApp connectivity, making it ideal for those active in the Ethereum ecosystem. MetaMask targets DeFi traders, NFT enthusiasts, and anyone needing reliable Ethereum integration. Guarda Wallet, on the other hand, is a multi-platform wallet available on desktop, mobile, web, and as a browser extension. It supports 50-plus blockchains and over 100,000 crypto assets, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and more. Guarda also offers built-in staking for select cryptocurrencies, an integrated exchange, and hardware wallet compatibility for enhanced security. Its focus on cross-chain compatibility and user-friendly design makes it an excellent choice for users managing diverse crypto portfolios. Guarda emphasizes privacy as it does not store private keys or user data, appealing to security-conscious users. When comparing the two, MetaMask is better for those primarily working within the Ethereum ecosystem, thanks to its seamless integration with Ethereum-based tools and superior dApp support. However, it falls short in multi-chain support and staking options. Guarda Wallet, by contrast, excels in versatility, offering multi-chain functionality, staking, and support for a vast range of assets, making it ideal for crypto holders with diverse portfolios or those seeking a wallet for multiple purposes. Ultimately, if your focus is Ethereum and dApp interaction, MetaMask is your best bet. But if you need a versatile, multi-platform wallet with broad asset support, Guarda Wallet is the clear winner. Check out the links in the description to explore further, and let us know which wallet you prefer in the comments.